So I'm going to make this recipe called Braciole, which is a classic Southern Italian recipe, really, really simple. Basically, you do it all in one pot. A beautiful piece of meat, a fillet, and you're going to bash it, make it nice and thin, and then you're going to roll it and fill it. Well, you're going to fill it with parsley, garlic, and pecorino. There we go. So I'm going to cut this. I'm going to grate some pecorino, parsley that I'm chopping. I'm going to grate some garlic. Cool. Okay. Now we're going to roll it. So now I'm just going to tie these up, and that's basically what you're going to end up with. We're going to chop a little onion, and this is just going to get sautéed for a little bit. Okay, so in a preheated pan, not too hot, I'm going to put some olive oil in. Not too much. And if you notice what we're using, this is the new collection, which is all stainless. So stainless on the inside and on the outside, not non-stick. Onion goes in, and just let that cook down. You don't want it to brown. You just want it to soften. Okay, now these have become a beautiful light golden brown. Oh, I sounded like Nigella then, didn't I? And we're going to take them out. I'm going to add a little more oil. We're going to sear the meat. You want to get a little coloring on them, sort of like that. And don't let them get too close together, otherwise they also steam. Don't crowd your pan. Okay, so now we're going to take these out, and they're nice, they have a nice brown on them. Now we're going to deglaze the pan. And get all those little sticky bits of the meat up. And now your onions are going to go back in. Now we're going to put in some tomato, canned tomato. It's a little more than a 35-ounce can of tomato, and this has been pureed in a blender. Now this is going to go in. Salt. Don't be shy. Okay, so this has been burbling away for about 5-10 minutes. And these are going to go back in. Now, depending upon your cut of meat, you can cook these. If it's like a skirt steak or something like that, which is a little stringier, you'll want to cook it for longer. This is a fillet, so you're going to cook it for not as long. You don't want it to dry out. You don't want it to toughen up. But you want this sauce to kind of get inside it. Now you're going to put the lid on, and you're going to lower the heat down to like a low heat, and then you're going to cook them for a while. So we're going to plate it up and serve it with roast potatoes and some broccoli di rapa, on the side. You can also do this. You'd serve this as your second course, and you'd make some pasta of your choice, and you would serve it with this sauce. Then this would be your second course and a salad. Or you can have it with the potatoes, as I said. I just want to put a little bit of sauce on here, and a little bit of the pecorino. Oh my God, that looks so good. And a few of these. And there you go. You're welcome.